Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and you know what it is, it's Train with Giddy. So we're doing it the Giddy way. Alright, it has been a very exciting moment with you guys. I can see a lot of comments, a lot of people sending me their videos, sending me the pictures. I'm happy you're learning. So all you need to do is keep sharing, tell people to subscribe, and always drop a comment when you watch a video. Alright, for today we'll be tying a turban. Yes, turban. You know, turban are stylishly and very simple and classic for our rich auntie. Some girls that like it simple, and I'll be showing you 3 different styles of turban. So let's go. But please, if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and always share. Turn off notification to see when I post. Round video is available, ace gele available, and other Ashwebi styles are available. So just go to my previous video and watch. And you know how it is, we're doing it the giddy way. Let's go there.
We're gonna be tying a turban. I'll have a V. So open it this way. Take from the middle, just hold it from middle. Okay, now I want to make a V. I want to make a V. Place one ear. One ear. One ear close. One ear open. Then you arrange. Give her this side to hold. And you arrange this side also. Now give her to hold. Now, okay, this one will come up while this comes down. This side up, this one up, this one down. Yeah, hold this with me. Alright, normally the way I do my V, I normally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you will not be doing that in presence of a client, so you can count without anybody knowing. Okay, so use the last one to cross, or use the last one to fold everything like this. Yes, so when you use the last one to fold, you pin it. Take the pin down, take it back up. Okay. Now what are we going to do? We're going to make pleats with all this. We're going to make pleats, but the pleats now, we're not going to be arranging it on top of each other because we are making a turban. So you just arrange. Now you're fast. Okay, start arranging, but you're not placing it on top of each other. You can see. Now arranging it on top of each other. So you continue that way. So you continue till you get to the next. Okay. Right. And you pick the first theory. You pick the first theory. Pick the first theory. You drag it to this place. There you pin. Okay, alright now. You arrange everything. You twist. You twist. Then you pin. So normally you twist again, you just arrange. See that you close it up like this. Close everything up. And just close it up. So you can see, just pin, close it up. Just make sure it's nice. Then you see the way it is. So this is how it will look. This is kind of turban. But another way you can also do it, if you don't want to close it up like this, and if the ashoke is wrong, this is short ashoke. I wish it was long. All you need is that donut it around. You donut it around. So if the ashoke is long, but if the ashoke is not long, you just close and repeat. Close and repeat. So I think the closing and pin will work for this. So this is how you tie a V with a turban. This is how you tie a V with a turban. So you see? So you just bring out the person here a little. See how it is now. Yeah, to there. See how nice it is. So thank you.
Okay, guys, today section I'll be doing a voiceover because I just noticed that the sound of the video is bad. So tying it turban, you need a length 75 or 60. So I had to check. You place 40 to 2, you place on your hand to the breast level. That's how you check if it's 75. Then if you get to the shoulder, it's like 90. So you fold into 2 equal half. Then you pick any place at the middle. Then you pleat. You make your pleats. You pleat almost to the end, so you can have excess to cover up at the back. Okay, now after pleating, you place on the client's head or the model's head one ear close, then one open. In order for us to get a V shape, that's how you do it. In order for us to get a V shape, so you give her to hold so that you can properly arrange. So you arrange the other side now. Now you arrange the other side so you can use it also to cover the ear. You can use it to cover the second ear. And now one thing you should also note is if you make the first one 5 pleats, this other one should also be 5 pleats so that it will be equal on both sides. The pleats will be equal on both sides and to be nice and neat. So after arranging, you will also give her to hold. You arrange properly. Make sure when arranging, it's also neat and tight. So when you're arranging, she's holding the other side, then you drag also to make it neat, then tight. Now you can see it's forming the V shape already. So you give her to hold, then you arrange. After arranging, so you pick the other one and twist. You twist this other one this way and the other one that way.
Give her this side to hold. Okay, remove them. So what you do now, you make pleats with this. Make pleats with this. She will last. Yes. So make pleats. So you arrange it. Now you can see you are not arranging the pleats on top each other. Not arranging it on top each other. Okay, you go this way, do the same thing also. Just pick. You arrange it, but you're not arranging it on top each other. Okay. Now what you do, drag here, here. You pin. Do the same here also. You pin. So when you get here, you roll. Just watch. Pin. So here also, you roll. You can see how the back is looking. So this also, use your hand. You can use your hand to dress it. You can see this is another style of turban. Yes, so this is another style of a turban. This is another style of a turban. Okay, the last one.
Okay, guys, today section I'll be doing a voiceover because I just noticed that the sound of the video is bad. So tying it turban, you need a length 75 or 60. So I had to check. You place fold into two, you place on your hand to the breast level. That's how you check if it's 75. Then if you get to the shoulder, it's like 90. So you fold into two equal half. Then you pick any place at the middle. Then you pleat. You make your pleats. You pleat almost to the end so you can have excess to cover up at the back. Okay, now after pleating, you place on the client's head or the model's head one ear close, then one open. In order for us to get a V shape, that's how you do it. In order for us to get a V shape, so you give her to hold so that you can properly arrange. You arrange the other side now. Now you arrange the other side so you can use it also to cover the ear. You can use it to cover the second ear. And now one thing you should also note is if you make the first one 5 pleats, this other one should also be 5 pleats so that it will be equal on both sides. The pleats will be equal on both sides and to be nice and neat. So after arranging, you also give her a hole. You arrange properly. Make sure when arranging, it's also neat and tight. So when you're arranging, she's holding the other side, then you drag also to make it neat, then tight. So you can see it's forming a V shape already. So you give her to hold, then you arrange. After arranging, so you pick the other one and twist. You twist this other one this way and the other one that way. Then you tighten it. Make sure it is tight. Then you give her to hold. So you shocking the excess inside. This is how you make this nice turban. Now you're gonna see the outcome. You do the same thing to the other side. And please make sure she's holding it so that it doesn't pull off or so. And so that for it to be very tight and firm. So that's how you do it. Then you go to the back to arrange properly. So yeah, you can see because of the way her hair is now. So but on normal circumstances, if the person wants her hair out, then you can wrap around it. But if the person does not, then you wrap everything inside. You join everything together and you pin. You join everything together. You can see as I'm doing it, then you pin. You can see. So the turban looks very neat. If you are not sure how to do this, it might be a little bit confusing for you, like how did they place it inside or how was it done. So you can see how it is pinned done. So I know you can do better. You can do better than this. So you have to wrapping inside the pin. Wrapping inside your pin. You pin, you pin, and you pin. And you see? You keep joining it together. But because of her hair, I don't think this or everything will be able to close. So you just pin around it. But it should be neat. Make sure it's neat. Whatever you are doing, your wrapping at the back should be neat. And you can see this is neat now. You can see? You can see how the turban is looking. Just like the way the one on my client also. It's looking very nice and easy. Nice and easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope I was able to pass this knowledge to you guys. And also, I'll be dropping this turban, exact turban using a sego on my YouTube. Please kindly subscribe and share.